All right, we're gonna go ahead and mix this all together. We just started with our green and red sanding sugar. Oh my gosh, this is actually really satisfying to put together. Who doesn't love a little bit of sugar? All right, look how Christmassy this is. I'm so excited for Christmas. We have like less than a week left. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and move this off to the side a little bit. And now we can go ahead and take in our other pan and our Pillsbury sugar cookie dough. Oh, I am so excited to eat this. Ooh, there we go. Oh wow, look at those. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just take one of these and douse it in sugar. Add some sugar to those sugar cookies. It's in the name. Look how cute. All right, let's go ahead and add that there. And now we can just do each and every one. Ooh, there we go. That is so cute. Oh, I'm so excited for this.
How many are you gonna do?
I think I'm gonna do about 12 of these. Maybe get like half of this done. So we'll do like 4 rows of 3. Sounds good to me. Except I might eat them all in one sitting. Sorry guys, can't have any. I know it's the holidays, but sharing is not so caring when it's cookies. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Everybody's gonna want them, and I'm not sharing them.
Perfect for Santa cookies too.
Oh, that is true. Santa Claus would love these cookies. We always make the best cookies for him every single year. And that's exactly why I get the best gifts. So I'm always on the nice list. Just for my cookies. There we go. Oh, we're so close to this. And look at all the sugar sprinkles we're gonna have left after this. So you can use that for so many other things too if you wanted. You can use this for anything Christmassy. I mean, I would use it year long.
These look so good. Look at the pretty colors. Yum.
Too bad, you can't have any.
I want one.
They're all mine. I'm feeling Grinchy.
Was it Grinch Day at school today?
It was not Grinch Day, it was Reindeer Day, actually.
Oh.
I'm a little blue reindeer today. All right, one more. Oh my goodness. There we go, our final one. Oh, these just look so good. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and move this baby out of the way. And now I can move this back in. Woo! Let's fix those back up. There we go. Ooh, I am so excited. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our spatula again, and we're just gonna go ahead and smash them down a little bit.
Oh no.
What do you mean, oh no? They're gonna be so good. Ooh.
Gonna make some flat cookies.
We want nice, thick cookies. They're gonna be nice and wide, so you don't finish them in one bite. Why would you ever want to do that? I love the edges, because the edges they look like little crystals. Oh my gosh, it is adorable. All right. Ooh, this is actually so quick and so easy to do. You guys could do this with your kids or just do it yourself. Santa Claus appreciates a good adult who knows how to make good cookies. Oh, and the last one. There we go. Perfect. And we're not done yet because now we have our snowman-shaped sugar cookies. And that's what's gonna make them thicken up. Oh my gosh, look how adorable those are. Aren't those the cutest snowmen you've ever seen in your life? Now let me just go ahead. Oh, I gotta be so careful not to mess up the snowman. We're gonna put that right on top of the cookie there. See how cute that is? Now they're not so thin looking, are they? There we go. Oh my gosh, these are actually so adorable. And they had so many different designs too. They have like Christmas trees and they have a different type of snowman I saw. Oh my gosh. They should make like a whole bunch more. They should make Grinch ones. I want to see the Grinch.
I think they do actually have Grinch ones.
Oh my gosh, why didn't we get Grinch ones? All right, but the snowmen, they do it. They are cute. They are fabulous. We love Frosty the Snowman all year long. And we are finally ready to go ahead and stick these babies into the oven at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. Oh my goodness, look how adorable these are. Oh my gosh, these came out so nice.
Wow.
And super, super Christmassy. All right, now that we have these beauties, I'm gonna go ahead and take my platter here. Look, it's red to match the Christmas vibes. Oh, they're a little stuck together in like a train. Okay, let's break these apart. Get there. Oh, these look so good. Let's go ahead and lay those all onto my platter here. Oh my gosh, and these are picking up so easy too. And this is exactly why I love Pillsbury. There we go. Oh my gosh, the snowmen are so cute. I like the red snowman on the red platter. There we go. Almost done. Just a few more. No snowman left behind. There we go. And 2 more. Boop.
So Christmassy.
There we go. Look at that. It's like a little tower too. Oh my goodness. Those are so cute.
Yeah.
These are the best.
Are you gonna try one, or do you want me to try one?
You know what? You always have me try your foods. I think it's your turn to try my foods.
All right. Ooh, I cannot wait to try one of these. I did get a little plate. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this one. Look how cute. Look in the back. Perfectly cooked. Yum. I love these sprinkles. So Christmassy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. These are so good. Delicious. Perfectly cooked. I love it. Great job, Katie.